to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a long bog and a bloody jet in an airport. This is going to be kind of crazy. I'm actually at me right now. And this is going to be kind of flipping what the heck. So this is going to be shit my dick after. I can shit myself. This is going to be bloody crazy. Have you ever seen me do this before, Mark?
No.
Well, yeah, it's been crazy. Marcus seen me do it. Bro's just like on bed now. I'm not going to bed till fucking half time, don't give a shit. I don't want to do. Just going out, come here, motherfucker. Oh, jet me. Oh, oh, yes, yes. I'm taking off on the plane. La 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 la. B1 rotate V2 gear up VV. I'm gonna fucking shit. That was crazy. I was going for some fucking trees. So then put the way mark on the brush. What's the biggest fucking thing? Biggest motherfucking. What the fuck are we? Take a candy from a millionaire. Makes no sense. Let's see. Let's see this bad. Right, I'm gonna do a lowered ball into the sea. And then we're gonna bomb drop her into the sea. Do a bomb drop of a plane. Flight 272, we've just been hijacked some fuckers and we're gonna blow your dick. No, it's quite cool. Oh, fuck. Should I come down nowhere right now? My phone's off. Do the little bar, okay? I want you to fucking do it. When I say do it, you do it. This is gonna be funny amazing. I'm posting this on YouTube. This is definitely going on YouTube. What happened? Is it just no start recording? We're just fucking look at me, man, look at me, man. Look at the camera, look at the camera. La 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 la. Oh, here we go. This is Tom, man, this is Tom. Ready?
No. Shit.
I suppose.
Alright, go on.
Ready?